How to add photos to featured photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, go to Featured Photos below as shown. Swipe to view the photos. And then, tap on Add Widget below. You have now successfully added this widget to your home screen. Over here, tap on Choose beside Album. Now, choose an album from here to shuffle throughout the day. For example, Pinterest. You have now added this album photos to your featured photos on your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to featured photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.